Now this slide is really what I want to say my personal opinion on how to incorporate artificial intelligence, IoT platform or cyber-physical systems, and 5G communication technology into the real industry. Nowadays, we see from Industry 4.0 and also smart manufacturing or China manufacturing 2025, now we have nearly about 5 to 6 years history of implement in real industry. And we can see these smart tools, as I said, AI, 5G, IoT. What we do now, in fact, if we go to the real industry, we will find most of them are helping to increase the efficiency of the manufacturing. So I list in the left side of the slides.